Well, it seems that Hold Your Plans Loosely has come into play again for us this week.
Absolutely. We did have to adjust and scramble.
Last night we got a phone call from Manitoba Parks saying that all campground reservations at Hecla Island Park have been cancelled for the week due to a sewer line collapse.
Yeah, sewer and water lines were not going to be available, and they are closing their campground for the rest of the summer, based on the information you got on that phone call yesterday, correct?
That's right. So if you are camping there now in September, double check to make sure, but I have a feeling that those reservations are going to be cancelled as well too.
Yeah, so we managed to quickly look for some spots look for a spot at Steep Rock. So we're pretty excited because that wasn't on our list this year, and we definitely have been there before. We really enjoy Steep Rock, so we're glad to be able to go back there.
That's right. And we get to camp with family this time. That's the first time this year that we're camping with extended family.
Yeah, so that'll be great as well.
I'm Wade.
I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp.
Thanks for joining us. Okay, so we want you to stay tuned to the end of the video because we're pretty excited. We will be leaving Manitoba in our camping van and heading to some new destinations. Pretty excited about that.
That's right. We have only taken this little van to the east, and now we may be traveling in another direction. Which one will it be?
I think it's obvious.
Well, it could be south, could be north.
Yeah, but already said we were leaving Manitoba. Join us to watch our video here, Steep Rock. Well, you'll love it. If you haven't been, I'm hoping this video will convince you to go and then become part of our journey as we travel to some new destinations with our van.
Outside of Manitoba.
I love it that they have on the outside of their little store and registration area a board with the weather information on it, and it looks like Wednesday it's supposed to rain, and it's the day we were going home. It's like it's going to be beautiful.
This is Steep Rock Beach Park. And our campsite is right over here. It's actually quite a nice wide campsite with a little fire pit area in the back. It's set up quite nicely. Hi.
Hey neighbors!
There's all kinds of riffraff that will camp at this campground. It is an absolutely gorgeous day outside here today. Virtually no wind, it's calm. It's about 12,
looking
15.
forward to this.
We're going to head to the cliffs of Steep Rock.
And almost no hills.
Just some of the seasonal sites that are here as well too. People have made some nice homes for themselves.
Him and the snakes?
Ooh, bats.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, there's even a hobo who lives here.
Yeah, we're gonna see a snake or something.
Oh, you're gonna have to get deeper in the cave than that.
Yeah, no, this is deep enough.
We're deep enough.
But you know, if there was a storm, I'd come in here.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I'm done. Wow, look at this cute little library right here at the campground. This gives you an idea of the campground. We're gonna hike that quarry today. Let's see if there's any books here in the library. Ah, there are. How cool is that? lots of information here. This little shelter about the area and about the campground. And by the way, this is the best place for a signal. The beach area has this cafe where you can order burgers and fries, milkshakes. Great place to hang out, look at the beach, order your snacks. Lots of signs that let you know what the rules are. No pets, no tents on the beach. Big sign that says beach and playground rules. Again, no tents on the beach, no pets. Lots of picnic tables on the beach area. Great place to go as a family picnicking. There's a shelter, a large parking lot. So if a person wanted to come here for the day, there is an entrance fee at the gate, but a good place to come for a day trip. Steep Rock has lots to see and lots to do. This is a little playground here by Steep Rock, and picnic table set beside it. And many of the sites behind it there are seasonal sites. And as you go to the south of the playground, I think that's south, there's lots of sites, but they are without water or electricity. And then the sites along the tree line. One side of the tree line is called Sunset, the other side Sunrise, and many of those have both water and electricity. Now this was added this year, I think, because last year when we were here, we did not see this. And this is the shower and bathrooms. No indication on the door of which is a bathroom or a shower, but they are free, which is great. But as we open up one of the shower stalls, it's a single shower setup, and you turn on the knob, water kind of comes out of the ceiling, and that's all it is. It's just this space.
Thanks again for joining us with another week of camping at Steep Rock Beach Campground.
As you know, we were supposed to be at Hecla, and for all sorts of reasons, I guess plumbing, etc., we were canceled there, and we were so glad to be able to get here at Steep Rock.
Yeah, the entire campground at Hecla was closed down, apparently for the rest of 2021. So we're happy to be at Steep Rock, and we got to join family. We had a great time with my brother and his wife.
So thanks to Randy and Rebecca for letting us crash their party.
Yeah, we've been trying all year to get together camping, and this is the first time it's actually worked out. So we had a good week together.
It was fun.
And then we also had a happy accident of meeting Elmer and Pam.
Yeah, great to see them.
Old friends from a long time ago.
We got to tour their big rig. They travel with a very large motorhome, and we travel with our van, so we gave them a tour of ours as well. That was kind of fun.
It was a short tour.
Short tour.
Yeah.
So as we decide to end our Manitoba camping, we're going to head west, and we'll bring you along on our adventures as we travel up to Kelowna and back. And so we're looking forward to leaving Manitoba for a bit and taking our Sprinter van into new places.
Spending some time in Lethbridge, and then in Banff, and then in Lake Country, and then we'll see where else we can get to travel. So our next video will come out in 2 weeks. So it'll be 2 weeks from this Saturday that we'll be able to do our next video.
So thanks for following. We really love it that you subscribe to our channel, commit to watching us, give us comments, hit like. Thank you for doing that.
It helps grow our channel if you subscribe. Did you see subscribe?
I did.
So as we have found out over the last couple of weeks,
Yes.
plans change from time to time. So we know that if we do plan something, we need to
Hold our plans loosely.